Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT in black on black leather. So we'll just start over here at the trunk. I'll let you have a look. So I've got the removable roof out. It is a glass or transparent roof that comes with it. So let me just flick that up here. All right, there we are. So you can see from underneath. It's got a blue kind of transparency to it on the inside, but from the outside it looks very dark or almost black, so it blends in well with the car. So, and it just clips in nicely like that, and you can store some things underneath. This one also has the privacy shade that goes on the rear window there, and then we'll just close this up. Perfect, and we'll have a look from the back. So it's got the nice circular tail lights on it. Down below we've got the NPP performance exhaust, so there's dampers on those exhaust ports that open and close to make it louder or quieter. Very cool. So I'll swing around here. Here's your rear wheel. It's got nice Goodyear tires on the chrome rim. We got gray painted Corvette calipers and cross-drilled rotors, so looks great. Passenger side, we've got power windows, power locks, electronic door release, and we've got the Bose stereo in here as well. Here's the Corvette kick plate for you, and it's in really good shape. So it looks good, and we've got the nice soft Corvette mats down on the floor and the embossed Corvette logo on the dash. On the seat here, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar, power side bolster adjustment, and manual recline. And I'll just scan up the seat here so you can see the condition. And on the top, we've got the Corvette logo embroidered into the seat. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's have a look in the glove box. So in the glove box, we do have the original books, so those are there. And I'll just show you the dash while we're here as well. So you can see the condition. Looks good, no cracks, no issues, looks great. So I'll just hop out and we'll close this one up and have a look down the side. There you are, looks great. We got the nice chrome Grand Sport logo there on the fins, looks really cool. And here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues. Nice chrome rims and gray painted calipers with Goodyear Eagle tires on there. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter LS3, which is 430 horsepower paired to the 6-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, it's very clean under here. Looks great. So we'll just close this up and let's have a look from the front. So the headlights are in really good shape, as you can see. Some of them have discoloration on the inside. These ones are pretty clear. So let's have a look at the front end. Lower skirt looks like it's in pretty good shape. In terms of issues, let me see if I can find some stone chips. There's one little mark here that we'll touch up. Let's see if that's a stone chip there. The car hasn't been polished yet, so a lot of these marks are going to come out, but there is a few little marks on it. Most, like I said, will buff out though. And I'll let you have a look at the chin spoiler. And then down below you got your fog lights, up top projector HID headlights, so nice and bright at night. We'll swing around here. Here's the driver's front wheel. So again, no curb rash, looks good. Nice gray painted calipers and those Goodyear tires. And same thing back here. Looks great. So at the driver's side, we've got our power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and 2 user memory with an exit setting as well. And then again, we've got that nice Bose stereo in there. So along here, we've got the nice Corvette kick plate, looks great. You've got your power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar, inside bolster adjustment, and manual recline. And I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. Let's get in and fire this one up. Nice growl to it. All right. So in terms of kilometers, we've got 38,678 kilometers. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. Everything looks good. On this side, we've got voice control, telephone control. We've got our paddle shifter up here. We've got cruise control on the stock here, headlight control on off, fog light control on off. And then up top, we do have heads-up display. So I'll just shut off the lights for a moment so you can see. There's the heads-up display. And on the side here are the controls to change the settings for that. So let's have a look over here. We've got our favorites. We've got volume. We've got track change. and another toggle for paddle shifters. We've got wiper controls over here. You've got your information settings for on the screen in the center, push button start, and then over here you've got your radio. So we've got full factory navigation, source, AM, FM, XM, CD. So that's all there. If you hit this guy, folds down, that's where your nav, DVD, and your CD goes. And we'll just move the shifter out of the way. There's your dual zone climate control, so temperature for each side of the car. And then we've got our heated seats on either side. You've got a 12-volt socket and a change holder. Let's put it back into park. Got a cup holder in here, traction control on off, and 12-volt socket in the center armrest here. So great, let's hop out with this one running, have a look and listen. Nice sound to it. There it is from the front. The headlights and the fog lights on, looks good. We'll just scan down this side here for you. What a sharp looking car. Love the black with the chrome rims. You can't beat an exhaust note like that. Sounds great. And there you have it, folks. 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.